Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can view downloaded posts in Reddit. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Reddit application, and when you're here you want to go to left top corner, and now here you're gonna see history. In history you want to click on recent, and then you're gonna see downloaded, and now I think I mistakenly downloaded here something, because I don't actually download people. I'm not really that negative and toxic, so I don't really care. So I just, when I don't like something, I just leave. And yeah, so this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I hope you have a great day. And yeah. Goodbye.